Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into one of the most common website questions. Should you choose Webflow or WordPress in 2025? So if you're building a website, whether it is blog, portfolio or an e-commerce site, this video will help you choose the right platform. So without any further ado, let's break it down and let's talk about it step by step. So first I'm going to give you the overview. What are Webflow and WordPress actually? So WordPress launched in 2003 and it powers over 40% of the web, and it is an open source and self-hosted or through WordPress.com. So here you can see we are already in WordPress.com. There is another platform called WordPress.com available where you can easily create a website in online. That is another amazing thing, but both are the similar companies product. It is the idea of a blog, business website, e-commerce, etc. And the Webflow, I'm going to talk about that. Webflow launched in 2013 and it has visual website builder plus CMS. Then it is a great for designers and creative agencies, and it also comes with clean code output, built-in hosting. Now let's talk about the ease of use. The WordPress. So basically, WordPress is beginner friendly and the plugin like Elementor or Gutenberg. Let's say I'm going to open a platform that local host I have where I can easily create a website by using WordPress. Let's open this one and I will give you the process. So here I already make the database, so I will click to this one, and from that place when it will be open the site domain you will get to see, and it will get a green signal when it done. So here you can see it. Now I'll click over here wp admin and then you will land it into the dashboard. So it is completely beginner friendly with plugins like Elementor and Gutenberg, but can feel overwhelming with too many plugins and themes sometimes. But when you become familiar with the platform, it will become an easy task for you. And it is not 100% drag and drop unless you use a page builder. So you just need to be remember that thing. So here you just can see we already installed plugin like Elementor in here, and there is a new version for Elementor available, so we just need to be updated. So I already clicked it, the update one. And on the other hand, if I talk about the Webflow, it is completely free and it is completely full drag and drop experience you will get, and no code actually needed, but the interface may feel complex at first. You can see will be the interface for you, and it's great for designers who want control over layout and interactions. And the verdict I will give that beginners may prefer WordPress because it is easy and you can work on local digs also, so it is not require posting or any other kind of a cost. And designer and creatives may prefer Webflow because here you will get a couple of good things like themes, more plugin on design. Now let's talk about which one is customizable and design control you have. So in WordPress, thousands of themes available. If you go to the address and then you just need to be click on the themes and then you will get that actual things. Here you will find out like so much themes in here, thousands of themes available in that place. Then customization possible but limited without plugins or coding. So this is the drawback, and it is relies heavily on third-party tools like the plugin, so it's sometimes overwhelming for a beginner. On the other hand, Webflow, so basically Webflow actually 100% customizable with pixel perfect design. Your design everything visually like in Figma, and built-in animation, interaction and layout control you will get in Webflow. So the verdict that Webflow wins for design freedom and visual control. Now let's talk about the plugin and functionality. So if I go to the plugin of WordPress, here you will find out almost 15,000 plus plugin in here. Then you can add e-commerce, SEO, security, membership and more. Then but plugins can cause slowdowns or complete your website, so this is an overdose in here. On the other hand, Webflow, so Webflow has fewer built-in extension, limited third-party integration from from CMS and e-commerce, then it is still expanding functionality but less plugin reliant. So in the verdict, if I say that the people will go with WordPress because of the functionality and extensibility. Now let's talk about the CMS and plugin features. So here you can see the post options we have into the WordPress already. So originally built in for plugin WordPress, and it has advanced categories, tags, and media post types. You can see this is the categories and post tags, many more things. And also the second one, last one, is many SEO tools available in WordPress like rank math, Yoast SEO, and many more. On the other hand, Webflow, if I say, Webflow comes with powerful CMS but not as initiative as WordPress. It is great for custom blog layouts, but limited plugins support for SEO plugin tools here. So this is sometimes becomes so much overwhelming for a business person. So in the verdict, I can say WordPress will be the clear winner because of the king of blogging and content heavy sites. Now let's talk about the hosting and performance. So WordPress is self-hosted, like you choose Blue, SiteGround, etc. Then the speed and security depend on your host and setup. Then it needs optimization plus security plugins. On the other hand, Webflow built-in Plus and secure hosting on AWS plus Fastly. It is automatic scaling, backups, SSL, and no need for extra plugin for speed security. So this is the great thing you will get in Webflow. So here, if I give the verdict, then I will definitely mention that Webflow wins for built-in performance and simplicity. Now let's talk about the pricing. So here actually you can see the pricing of Webflow, that it is free for stacking. Like here you can say experiment, prototype, and explore Webflow's power with no commitment. So you can start completely free, but site plans start from $14 per month basic and $23 per month for the CMS one. So it needs premium plan to expand, and hosting also included here. On the other hand, WordPress, it is completely free for core software. You just need to go over here to the wordpress.org and then download the plan from here, and then you can start with local or XAMPP software. But cost add up to hosting for $5 to $20 per month, then premium themes cost also, then plugin if you're using premium ones, then it will be cost. So here if I get the budget, then WordPress is cheaper upfront and Webflow is equal to predictable cost all in one. Now let's talk about the SEO and marketing. So WordPress has excellent SEO plugins like Yoast and RankMath, and it has full control over metadata, segments, and schemes, and it has easy integration with marketing tools. On the other hand, Webflow, so here you will get clone code for loading, manual SEO setup, and limited marketing automations options. The verdict, if I say in here, that WordPress wins for SEO tools and marketing integrations. So the final verdict I will give you, that who should you choose if you are a beginner and you want flexibility with plugin, and also you are focused on plugin SEO or e-commerce, and also you want full ownership over hosting and structure, then you can go with WordPress. On the other hand, if you are a designer or a creative person, then you can go with Webflow. Also, if you want full visual control and you want fast secure hosting built in, then you can go with Webflow. Also, if you hate dealing with plugins and technical maintenance, then you can go with this Webflow plugin. Smash the like button if this video helped you decide. Drop a comment, are you team WordPress or team Webflow? Don't forget to subscribe for more web design and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.